Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of top 5 best dash cam in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading dash cam that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So, without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Redtiger Dash Cam F7NP, a top-notch dual dash cam packed with premium features like 4K plus 1080p, recording, night vision, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, and a 24-hour parking mode. The Redtiger F7NP captures road details in Ultra HD 4K for the front and FHD 1080p for the rear. With a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle view, this dash cam reduces blind spots and records crucial evidence effortlessly. Equipped with an f1.5 aperture and 6-layer optical lens, it excels in low-light conditions. The HDR-WDR technology ensures clear recordings, capturing every detail like license plates or road signs, even on those dimly lit roads. Managing recordings is a breeze with the Redtiger app. View, playback, and download your videos on your smartphone. Share your travel moments or check accident footage with just a click. Convenience redefined. The GPS records routes, real-time speed, and location data. Track your drive using the app or software, adding an extra layer of safety and providing invaluable evidence in case of accidents. With loop recording, a G sensor for collision detection, and a 24-hour parking monitor, your vehicle is safeguarded at all times. The dash cam locks important clips automatically, ensuring key footage is never overwritten. In conclusion, the Redtiger F7NP is packed with cutting-edge features for a safer, smarter driving experience. Number 4. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. A feature-packed gadget that's perfect for daily drivers, road trippers, and rideshare pros. This dash cam offers true 4K video resolution with StarViz 2 technology. You get crystal clear visuals, making license plates readable even in low light. Monitor your front, interior, and rear in one seamless recording. The exclusive Plate Pix feature captures license plates with precision, even in tricky lighting. Combine that with HDR night vision, and you've got remarkable clarity for nighttime driving or dim conditions. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS, access your footage through the Vantrue app effortlessly. Share breathtaking road trip moments with friends while keeping track of routes and speeds for peace of mind. The N4 Pro's 24/7 parking modes ensure your car's security. Buffered motion detection records events before and after motion is detected, giving you complete incident coverage. Voice control allows easy operation without distractions. Optional anti-glare, CPL enhances video quality on sunny days, making this dash cam adaptable for every condition. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 Pro combines cutting-edge tech with safety features for every driver. Number 3. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. This powerful dash cam promises to capture every angle of your ride with triple-channel recording and high-quality features. The N4 records your car's front, inside, and rear views simultaneously at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. This setup offers exceptional clarity and ensures comprehensive protection, making it perfect for drivers, families, and even rideshare pros. In dual recording mode, the front camera records in stunning 4K 2160p, while the rear captures 1080p. With a 20-foot extension cable, the rear camera is flexible enough to suit various vehicles for ultimate convenience. Featuring StarViz KMOS sensors and IR night vision, this dash cam captures every detail, even in total darkness. It's a lifesaver for rideshare drivers working late nights or early mornings. The 24/7 parking mode includes motion and collision detection. It records events automatically and protects your vehicle even when parked. An ideal feature for peace of mind. With a supercapacitor, the N4 endures extreme temperatures from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance and longevity. It's ready for any weather conditions. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 is an exceptional dash cam packed with high-tech features for every driver's needs. Number 2. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. With 4K front and 1080p rear recording, 24-hour parking mode, and super night vision, this dash cam is perfect for road safety and capturing memories. The ROVE R2-4K captures front and rear views at 4K 216, 0p, and 1080p, respectively. This ensures crystal clear footage for the road ahead and behind. Its ultra-wide angles offer comprehensive coverage for enhanced safety and awareness while driving. Equipped with a Starvis 2 sensor, this dash cam delivers sharp details and vibrant colors even in low light. With f1.5 and f1.8 apertures, your recordings remain bright and clear, perfect for night driving. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you instantly download 4K videos to your phone at impressive speeds. Use the ROVE app to manage recordings, share memories, and update firmware effortlessly for a seamless experience. The R24K features GPS to track routes, speed, and location. Its 3-inch IPS screen displays real-time speed and compass details, making it easy to monitor your journey and access vital evidence when needed. This dash cam includes a free 128GB microSD card, motion detection, parking modes, and a supercapacitor for durability. Supporting up to 1 terabyte, it's built to record every moment effectively. In conclusion, the ROVE R24K Dual is a game-changing dash cam with premium features and reliable performance. Number 1. The Viofo A329 4K 60 FPS dash cam. With incredible dual-channel recording, Wi-Fi 6 support, and impressive HDR quality, this is a dash cam built for reliability and performance. The A329 captures sharp 4K front and 2K rear footage at 60 frames per second. This ultra-smooth recording ensures detailed visuals, from license plates to fast-moving vehicles, making it perfect for everyday driving or capturing memorable road trips. Equipped with dual Starvis 2 sensors, this dash cam handles low-light conditions effortlessly. It reduces noise and balances brightness, ensuring clear visuals day and night. Ideal for capturing tricky scenarios like dark tunnels or nighttime drives. Experience blazing fast downloads with Wi-Fi 6 technology. Transfer a 1-minute 4K video in under 10 seconds and manage your footage easily using the Viofo app. It's a game-changer for efficiency and convenience. The A329 supports up to 4 terabyte SSD and 512GB microSD storage. Forget frequent overwrites. Store weeks of footage and enjoy long drives worry-free. This innovation redefines dash cam storage capabilities. With 3 parking modes, event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse, the A329 monitors your car 24/7. It's a reliable companion for both safety and security, offering peace of mind wherever you park. In conclusion, the Viofo A329 combines cutting-edge tech with user-friendly features to enhance your driving experience. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.